I grew up my leg hair just to wax for you guys. Today I'm gonna be using my Tress Wellness wax to wax my legs. I love waxing my legs because it's less painful, so satisfying. I'm going to be adding this lavender into the wax that I have here. It's melting already. This is 100 grams of wax that came in the box. When you buy the box, you're going to get 5 of this, and you're going to get pre-wax and post-wax spray, plus this melting pot right here. Guys, I'm just going to cover the pot and let it melt. You need to mix your wax at interval so that you can get all the lumps. And every time you have an over processed wax, if the wax is too running, you just know that it is over processed. All you have to do is to turn this off like that, so the wax is going to cool down to normal temperature and you can use it.